Hello, my name is Klavs and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go! This time we're gonna start with a Febi part, Febi Bilschni part. You saw from the thumbnail what's up. This is number 21361. This is a cabin filter. That's the number for Mazda. Well, you know where the cabin filter. I made a video on it. This side, and this side, and the support there. You know I made a video, you know what's up. So then, where are you? Come here. There you go, a cabin filter. Now, you saw from the video and you're thinking like, we know how to change the cabin filter. Yes, you do. Now this is the old cabin filter. So you can see, look at the style of the filter. And let's take out that what I've been testing out. It's right here. Come with me. Notice a bit of a difference. Do you notice a bit of a difference? How it's structured, how this looks, and how this looks. Notice something. Notice that this is thicker, this is more coats. So basically this is the normal type cabin filter, and this is carbon. So you can see it already catch something. I'm testing this out for 3 weeks. So you can see it already catch something. It's a Febi part, there you go, and airflow. So it goes in. Why I'm making this video? I drive in London and on the highway, and the smell from diesels and all the smells once a car burning oil. This filter, this normal filter, I'll leave the links for this filter and this filter in the description down below. This will let through every single smell. And when I'm driving London, the route where I usually drive, there is an water filtration plant which takes the sewage, filter the water so it can be recycled. You know how that thing goes. And that smell is god awful. It's vomit inducing. That does not hold anything. This is the old filter. It should be white, but this is dirty already. This filter doesn't hold any smells behind. It does not hold anything. You will smell everything. You'll smell every diesel. You'll smell every slaughterhouse, every water plant filtration. This bad boy, I'm happy to announce, it does clean 80% off. It's not 100%. It never will be 100%. That stench, I don't think even a triple filter will filter through. This carbon filter, carbon infused or whatever it was, this carbon filter is a game changer. I had a BMW which was smoking and burning oil. I could not smell the burning oil. I had diesels in front of me, which you know, Ford Transit diesels, you know how they smell. That did not hold anything back. With this I could not smell anything. And what I mean with that is, you know the recirculation, this button right here. If you switch it or not, with the open air, open vents, so it's pulling through and coming in the cabin. This does not hold anything. This holds back 80%. The big stench from the water filtration systems, it does like 60%. It's not that bad, but see, you can still smell the sewage. That is 100%. Diesels, this will hold diesels back. Burning oil, burning like that, like exhaust fumes, this does hold that smell back. This is almost 100% will hold those smells. The sewage 80 to 60%. That's 0% on smells. Zero. So that's why this was even old. So this goes in the bin, and this Febi filter will go in. And I like this much better, and the price is not that much different. It is a bit more expensive because of the carbon inlays and everything else, but that's much better. But for now, this goes back in, and you know, airflow goes and you install it. Put back the lid, hook in here back the thingy, and everything's fine. This is just information video. This is just the information, so you know that there is a filter against smells. This can go in the bin where it belongs. I hope this video was informative, and if you are sick and tired of the smells, maybe look into a carbon filter or whatever the actual full name is. Hope this informative video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.